Father Luis, thank you very much for the beautiful service. And I know this is a new look into our community, and it's a beautiful preparation by the Samoan youth and the Samoan choir. Also, the multicultural, our community, very beautiful people and supportive people in our community. So, Father, do you have anything to say about our community, beautiful people?
Well, you know, I like this time because our community represents the diversity that we have in prayer and communion with the church, and I really enjoy when I see people united in prayer, united in this beautiful time, you know, when we come to worship Jesus and to encounter the resurrection. You know, everybody in our lives one day thinking about Jesus and thinking about to be in happiness with one another, and this is a good moment for us to remember that Jesus is alive, not only here in the temple but in each person. Okay.
Thank you very much, Father Luis. We really very appreciate your help and your service along with Father David and Father Adrian. Thank you very much.
God bless you.